So good afternoon madlang people. O yan guys, only in Philippines drive like this guys. Walang helmet. Walang complete gear na pang motor. O diba? Only in Philippines talaga guys. Shout out sa ako ang driver na ako ang sister. Mega love shout out. O, concentrate kayo siya. O seryoso kayo siya mag-drive. Then napit guys. Okay, let's ride guys. Padong na may ulian ni guys, gikan ng gilaag.